Hello and welcome to this review and demo video of this amazing software called Sqribble. I'm going to give you an in-depth review as well as to show you how to use the software, so some behind the scenes as well. But this is absolutely incredible. It's fantastic. You're actually going to love this software. Now, what Sqribble allows you to do is create ebooks on demand. You'll instantly be able to create stunning ebooks in minutes without writing a single word. Okay, now it doesn't just create the front covers, the e-covers, it actually creates the entire ebook. We're actually talking about ebooks with content in minutes. Now, ebooks is the broad term, and they're also known as all these other things like reports, guides, your cheat sheets, blueprints, white papers, lead magnets, PDFs, and so on and so on. Okay, so it's quite a broad term. So, you know, all of this you can actually create with Sqribble. Now, there's amazing templates inside. You know, I've got something on the screen there for you, but there's all different types of themes, feels, styles for any type of project. In fact, there are designs in there for all types of niches. So whatever your industry that you're in, there's going to be templates inside with lots of different designs for you. Now, this is a massive feature of Sqribble. Sqribble will allow you to populate your entire ebook with automatic instant content. This is the big one. They've got an incredible content engine. With just a few clicks, it's going to fill out your entire ebook. And this new software technology is called Sqribble. Okay, click, design, and profit, to be able to create ebooks with content in minutes, not months. And there's really just 3 easy steps. Step 1 is just you're going to have to click a template. Step 2, add instant content. Step 3, customize your ebook and publish it, and that's it. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick demo and a feel behind the scenes of the Sqribble software. Okay, I'm just going to give you a demo now. These are some examples of the types of themes inside of Sqribble. Now, they really are amazing in covering loads of different niches, lots of themes, lots of fields, and you get 6 pre-designed ebook pages with each set. There's lots of templates inside, and the good thing about Sqribble is that the ebooks it creates are readable on lots of different devices, and they've been especially optimized for mobile viewing as well.